everywhere but left.
What a place to stop, man. Oh my god. Can we move, please? Oh my god. Oh my gosh, that Sonata just turned left in the right lane. Doing, dude? You're just sending it and hoping that we don't crash into you.
And he wasn't even kidding. No one can understand what we're saying.
Why?
The car's coming. Why are you honking?
Jesus Christ. It's the shoulder.
Excuse me. It was the shoulder for a long time. Can you, like, get 5 feet off of my bumper, please? Please and thanks. I mean, like, seriously.
Give me some space.
I like how Thomas got a GoPro.
I don't know how you get honked at for doing something that you know is wrong, and then you honk back and hit him with that. It's like, I'm not trying to be mean, like, whatever, bro. Stay in your lane. It's that easy.
Gosh, dude. You want to give, like, a better notice before you just start merging into me?
Okay, yeah.
Curly hair, but also just you can
Hello. Don't turn my hair.
Take the St. Joseph's Drive.
And it was 3 of us sharing one bathroom. I lived in a old dining room, a partition off dining room. The most fun too many guys house was my second year of college. We
6 sports, and I feel like that makes a difference.
In a half toward Aerospace Road.
going on here? I feel like. Jeez. Let's just stop in the middle of the lane and create hella traffic. Goodness.
God. Oh, Jesus Christ. I think we hit.
How does it feel? Oh, there he goes. He's back in front behind me. Now he's back in front of me. Fucking idiot. I would just keep my high beams on him. Give him the beam of sun. And then he's gonna get over. See? There you go. Yeah.
For his sake of his documentary,
Yeah.
because he doesn't show a lot of heart about it.
Yeah,
Like, it's not like
yeah.
he's kind of just like, look at how crazy. But by the way,
Yeah.
beyond jokes, it is insane to
What are
think
you
that
doing?
5 generations will
Go.
live with their family. 5
What?
decades of people were like, okay. It's not.
What is going on here?